Carlos.
Shy.
Hi, Shy. Ayan, can you get a mic and greet everyone, please?
Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for coming. Hello.
Alright, and next naman, another good-looking actor from Viva Entertainment, right? Taga-Viva siya. Please welcome AJ Mulak. AJ! Hi! Ayan, ito pala naman eh. Ayan, si AJ. We get to find out his role in the movie, tsaka si Shy din. And of course, ang ating mga bida. Let's start with Inigo Pascual and Julia Barreto. Ayan, Inigo and Julia together. Greet mo naman ang mga friends nating vloggers, please.
Good afternoon, Mike. Hello, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat.
Ayan, pass natin. And Julia, please.
Hi.
Okay, and of course, next naman, together na rin, James Reid and Nadine Lustre. Jadine. Hi, Ben.
Hi, good afternoon po.
Pakitaas yung audio nila.
Hello everyone, thanks for coming.
Yay! And of course, joining us is our director. Is he here yet? Ayan, Direk Andoy Ranay. Direk Andoy, please join them. Ayan. Ito yung mga rare times na punong-puno tayo talaga. Overflowing. Direct, did you greet them na with your tupin ko ang bag mo? Parang andyan lahat ng kinita na tayo rin ng pangit. Okay, ayan, nakabati na po ang ating cast and our director. But bago tayo magsimula, bago mawala ng tuluyan ang audio ko, ayan, okay, am I on? We'd like to show you the full trailer of Para sa Hopeless Romantic.
From the best-selling romantic novel,
Love makes the world go round. Somewhere out there, meron daw someone na meant for you.
siya si Becca, romantic.
Ano sa Japanese? Pag.
Ano mo ba?
Joke lang. Iba ka na.
At siya si Nico, ang kanyang Prince Charming.
Love you pa at hindi pasukan.
Harutan. Patutunayang may forever.
Promise?
Promise. Ikaw na.
Pero paano ang kanilang love story? Hindi happy ending.
Friend na tayo. Ayoko na.
Sabi mo mahal mo ako.
Dati yun. Pwede mo bago.
Ang happy, gumawa ng sariling love story.
Ang buhay nila ay buhay ko. Ito ang kwento ko. Kumapit ka, Ryan. Baka baliktad ka.
Hindi ko na kailangan kumapit. Nahulog na naman ako eh. Nahulog na ako sa'yo.
Ano sabi mo?
Makikita mo pa ba ang iyong happy ending?
Pwede mo bang tinithink yung ending ng story mo? Masyadong malungkot eh.
Huwag kayong umasa sa happy ending.
Hanggat hindi pa happy. Hindi pa yung ending.
Becca! I still love you.
Nico, tama na. Huwag mo nang paglaro ng feelings ko.
Ma-in-love sa dalawa sa pinakaabangang love teams ngayon. Inigo Pascual and Julia Barreto.
It feels so good to be in love.
At James Reid and Nadine Lustre.
Becca, mahal kita.
Ito ang kanilang kwento. Ito ang mga kwento para sa Hopeless Romantic. Directed by Andoy Ranay, May 13 in cinemas nationwide.
Okay, ayan po ang full trailer ng Para sa Hopeless Romantic. Okay, can we turn the lights on now? Ayan, thank you. Ayan, nakabati na po ang cast. We are now open to your questions. Who would like to ask the first question, please? And if you are in social media, you may use the hashtag PSHR Bloggers Conference. We are actually trending right now. Okay, who would like to shoot the first question? Siguro ako na, kasi hindi ka namin kayo nakasama during the Grand Press Con a couple of days ago. We'd like to hear from Shy and AJ. Can you make us kwento your role in the movie?
Ako dito si Jackie, best friend ni Becca. Ako yung parang pipilit sa kanya na mag-move on kasi since nahihirapan nga siya mag-move on and through writing, ginagawa niya, tinatry niya. And so, yun.
Becca is portrayed by Nadine.
So
Okay.
yun, napilit ko siya na maghanap na ng love life.
So dikit na dikit ka kay Nadine. Okay, okay. And AJ.
Ako naman si RJ. Best friend ni Nico, which is James. And ako yung guy na happy-go-lucky sa girls. Yung, kumbaga, walang sineseryosong girl. Hindi naniniwala sa love. Until, ayun.
So dun muna, hanggang dun muna tayo. Okay, more questions please from our vlogger friends. Who would like to... Siguro si from this area. Si Sweetbox, si Ayan, you wanna ask the first question? Can I have that stupid microphone over there?